Hey guys, Harendra here, and today I'm here with a very interactive iOS site menu with rich features. So I'm clearing first thing here that I have not developed this tool. I'm using this tool from a GitHub repository that is created by Kukusi. Kukusi, the author of this uh, site menu, and I'm coming here to teach you how to implement this interactive site menu in our application. This is a very good and very easy to use library in our iOS. So, and I have using this with tool in my last few applications and found this is very easy and very good. And best thing of this application, you can check here on your screen on my cursor. This is very up to date. Uh, the guys, the developers of this tool is very uh, working hard on this tool to make it uh, to remove all bug free. And you can check here in the overview, this is supported by Swift 4, means it is very up to date. And you can also check below in bullet points all feature of this, and also attach screenshots with this Git repository. These are the previews of uh, this side menu. You can check this is the status bar disable or enable. This is side by side plus fade, and this is side by side hide on menu. For installation, this is also support port and cartridge. And you can check here in keynote, this is a side menu swift, not side menu only. So this thing you need to keep in mind while installing your port in your application. And for this tool, all credit goes to the Kukusi, who is the developer of this and developer and author of this tool. Here is the full documentation on GitHub repo. Preferences, so you can customize your uses like change of the bit, and this is the caching of content requirements. Also, side menu is available under the MIT license. So this is the overview of this tool and Git repo on GitHub. So it's now turn to start our Xcode project. So for this we need to create our Xcode press project, creating a new single view application, entering your project name here. Your bundle identifiable here. You can also create your project in Objective-C, but for now we will only learn integrating this tool only in Swift. So we have selected Swift, and now we need to select the destination by clicking create. Just remove this extra parameter from your bundle identifier. Go for the terminal, because we are now going to initializing pod file in our project. So we are navigating into our project directory via drag and drop our project directory into our terminal just after the cd command. So we are now our in project directory, and you can check this is pod is initialized. Open the pod file with the text edit.
It's 2 o'clock.
You can also open this any scripting language, but for now I'm clicking this on opening this on with text edit. Enter your pod library here, copy it from your git portal. Just copy these two lines, first for the pod and second for the node, so this will be kept in mind forever. Also, also copy this URL for your future reference. So if we need any documentation for any time, we can uh, go through with this link and found the documentation, updated documentation from GitHub portal. Now it's time to install successful. This is also benefit of this library. This is very small in size, so it will not take a much higher amount of memory in your project file, and this will not create any size difference between your project uh, into your project directory. And now we will forward this project, and we will always use this workspace file. I have installed Xcode 9.4, and I'm opening this with Xcode 9.4. You can check here project and ports, and I'm selecting iPhone 6 simulator. Build succeed and simulator on the way. Just simulator is being initializing. Come back on a repo page for documentation. We will use this using storyboard. and this is for programmatically. If you don't want to use this uh, using storyboard, you can directly create by programmatically, but in our this video we will learn this using storyboard, and I will also create another separate video for the programmatically, and this code will be available on my GitHub page. So for the source code you need to check my description of this video, and also for this link of this uh, repo you need to check my video. So this is the screenshot. So basically this is the hierarchy of this side menu that you need to implement in your application. You can check here, the origin is a view controller, then you need a navigation controller, then a content view where we have a table view for menu or any customized UI. Now coming on the main storyboard, so here is a single view controller, and this is our screenshot. We need to implement agitate in our application. So this is the view controller. Just uh, change it to the side menu controller, and for this we need to add some more view controllers in our app. According to documentation, we need some view controllers for side menu controller module and side menu, and identifiers like the side menu dot menu and side menu dot content. This is the side menu controller. Adjective we need in our application. So we are adding some few more view controllers in our app. We are also adding our navigation controller in our app. Adjective edge screenshot. Here is the screenshot, and here is our application where we have added navigation controller and view controllers. Now arranging our view controllers according to screenshot. Assigning class to this view controller, side menu view controller. Now assign a class to this view controller. For this we need to create a few view controller classes. sidebar, create. Let's drag and drop it on so that all view controllers in the same hierarchy. Assign it to this view controller sidebar. Now it's time to add segues between side menu controller to navigation controller by using control and drag and drop to destination view controller, like side view menu controller to side view controller and side menu controller to navigation controller. So this is time to add a segue to navigation bar, and now from side menu controller to sidebar. So for now we need to minor adjustment with the segues, like we have to add the as a custom segues so that we can assign a uh, side menu segue class for these segues. So both we have made customs. Now we need to add identifiers. This is side menu dot content. This will be navigated to the content view like our home view controller using this navigation bar. Then now we need to assign a class side menu segue class. Same thing we will do for our this one, another segue. Side menu dot menu, because this view controller will show a menu bar. Now we are almost on the way and we have completed initial integration. So that's the reason that I have selected this beautiful tool for my integration, because it's very simple to in use and integration. It's time to decorating our view controller so that we can differentiate between the home view and content view and side menu. So this is the and this is for our side menu view controller. Because default view controller comes with a white background and similar look and feel, so this will very hard to differentiate while we will test, while we will be on testing, so that what UI controller will be home and what will be the navigation bar and what will be the content view and side menu. So we are decorating our each view for better understanding. It will create a better difference between all view controllers. And here is the one thing more, guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do it so that you can get my all upcoming videos when I upload on YouTube. And also check video description for the source code and useful links. So now, according to our screenshots, we have already set up all things in our application. Almost we have done. And guys, for more videos and more useful source codes, you can check my channel, and for source code you can check my GitHub page. Will succeed without any error. This is our home page. And now we have to add a button for calling our reveal menu. So simply just drag and drop a UI button on our home view controller, and whenever and on whatever screen you need this uh, side menu, you can simply call a reveal method that is already provided by ST in this library. You will see in our next steps after setting up this menu button. So same thing you need to repeat on each place whenever you need your side menu controller. Oops. Uh, yes, not bad. Just make it bold. I'm just decorating this. Now it's fine. Just do it. Let's add some constant on this. Oops, I forgot to add height and width. Let's do it now. Cool. Just import side menu Swift module, and I'm looking for function that will call our side menu. I'm just missing on this page. here. So this method side menu controller dot reveal menu will call side menu on your view controller. Just copy it and paste it in our action. Okay, just replace with self. Now error gone out. Yeah, you did that. So here is our side menu integration, and just we have done it in very simple and few steps. You can check here. Also you can check here, this is the menu and this is the panning gesture. If I'm swiping this very um, smoothly from right left to right or right to left, whatever I have set up in my code, this will work. And if you uh, and this is the width of our side menu. If I change this, this will be changed in our application. So these are the preferences, and more preferences is available in the side menu preference.swift file. So you can also find some useful preferences in that particular file. So for enable disable the pen gesture, we need to do some adjustments in our app delegate. First we need to import that particular module like side menu swift. Do it here, and here we will write our code. So just copy these all preferences, then import the module, and remove unnecessary preferences from your code. Now do it false so that we can disable it. So it is disabled now. Let's check it again. Awesome, this is disabled now. And this is working with menu button only. Let's do it uh, turn on again. With menu button, and also you can check here this side menu width. This is uh, reduced because of we have write this code 240 is the width, and now we will do it 300. Perfect. So width of the side menu is increased. So you can also manage this width using the preferences. So basically we have done our all things that we need in our application during the integration of side menu, and also side menu is implemented successfully in app. And also go to this side menu page and check out the all necessary information regarding this, and all credits of this side menu library goes to the Kukusei, who is the developer in the side menu tool. If you have still not uh, subscribed my channel, please do it right now and share it with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your time. Happy coding. Goodbye.